The first thing we need to consider, it's the biggest secret out there when it comes to keto, is that keto is not a diet. Keto is a metabolic process, a metabolic state. And yes, it's been around since humans have existed. That's why when somebody says, yeah, keto is going to go away in a few years, it's a fad, it's a trend. Well, it's been around for 2.5 million years. I don't think it's going away anytime soon. Therefore, it is not a fad. It is a fact. Our ancestors, every single one of our ancestors went through periods of ketosis. Their environment determined this fact. And when the body's going through periods of ketosis, it is very healing to the body because the body prefers to burn fat instead of sugar. When we burn fat instead of sugar, it's a cleaner source of fuel. When our cells are burning sugar, we are stuck as sugar burners. It's not a fun way to live. We have to function on carbohydrates every 2 to 3 hours just to get through our days. That's not the way we were designed to live. When our cells are burning sugar, it creates a lot of cellular smoke. And I compare that to this truck. Picture a truck that is going through the highway, speeding, with all the smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe of the truck. That's not going to be healthy for its surrounding environment, right? Well, when your cells are burning sugar, it creates a lot of cellular smoke, not healthy for your cellular environment. It creates more inflammation and it leads to a shortened lifespan. When we could teach the body and our 70 trillion cells to then switch to burning fat producing ketones, that's like a Tesla cruising through your beautiful streets, much cleaner for its surrounding environment. Fat is much cleaner for your cellular environment. We know that babies that are breastfed go in and out of ketosis because breast milk has saturated fat and cholesterol, which helps the development of the baby's brain, which is mostly fat. When we look at the cells and the cell membrane, it's made up of protein, saturated fat, and cholesterol. As a matter of fact, less than 1% of the entire body is made up of carbohydrates. We love fat. It makes the hormones. Burning fat is our primal birthright, and keto is not a diet. Keto is a lifestyle and a metabolic process.